Balaag iti eksperto iti salunat dakkel iti bilang ita dagitayag sagsagaba iti lung cancer ken naduma-duma asa kita patauden ti panagsigarilyo ken panag-vape kang runaan dita na dagitay second hand smoker nagsigaril kad manipod kadikitik sigarilyo agsipud ta apektado dagitay salunat dati syudad bigan istriktaran da iti publiko. Kalpasan iti nagsasarunong nga hearing iti beneg iti public safety ken iti biang iti health ket ditoy nga adaptar iti ordinance kang ronan di an ordinance banning smoking or vaping in public places and private establishment and designating smoking area and imposing penalties for violation thereof. Napatig daytoy agsipud ta sigud metten nga implementar ita ta istriktaran da gapen ta adu gaminan dagitig sigarilyo in public places. Gapen garon ti existing ordinance ket 1,000 pesos iti penalty da ket intata mayor uray tumet no kasanon tumet sumarsaron no action no mamyandaran to daytoy nga may bababa wenno manayunan pay.
The public hearings were both presided by SPM Nestor Pahara Chairman and on Committee on Public Safety and Peace and Order. The draft ordinance will address the request of Dr. Ranches during the LR regarding the enactment of vaping policy in the city of Bulan. Number 1, SPM Simpson, third waives the existence of an ordinance that prohibits cigarette smoking in public places, but the author clarified that vaping was not included in the said ordinance. However, any amendments or modification of the old ordinance is provided under Section 11 of the proposed vape ordinance. Number 2, Mr. Corcos also mentioned about the Civil Service Commission's advocacy against smoking, particularly Memorandum Circular Number 17, Series of 2029, or the smoking prohibition based on 100% smoke-free environment policy. Number 3, Dr. Ranches suggested that some of the enumerated establishments under Section 4 are strictly prohibited to have smoking area. Therefore, it should be separated from the enumerated establishments to have a designated smoking area. Number 4, the proposed ordinance SPM Simpson suggests that to change computer or internet shops to amusement centers if the body agreed to adopt the proposed amendment. Number 5, as to his concern on tourists who are not aware of the provision in the proposed ordinance, the author said that they are not exempted from any liability. However, the tourism office will be tasked to disseminate information regarding the matter. Number 6, the PNP chief suggested upon other sections to the proposed ordinance to include the City Health Office, PNP Center Public Safety Office, including the Engineering Office and the Fire Department as implementing agencies of this draft ordinance. Also, a citation ticket exclusive for the violation of the draft ordinance be issued different from the citation ticket issued to traffic violators. Number 7, SPM Sean Patrick Simpson raised the existence of a nicotine product sold in Manila that neither produce a smoke nor an ingredient of an electronic cigarette, but being taken orally shall be included in the draft ordinance to avoid the selling of the said products to minors. This proposal was considered an amendment to the title of the proposed ordinance and was adopted to be read as an ordinance banning smoking vaping in public places and private establishments and designating a smoking area and selling of nicotine products to minors and imposing penalties.
Babaen iti tulong iti public safety wenno dagitoy traffic aids ken syempre iti biang iti kapulisan may sadan to nga matutukan nga dagitoy ket mangwelta agsipud tabang tedda iti citation tickets no dagitoy makita da nga ag-vape wenno ag sigarilyo in public places may paperbado man ng gobyerno ket datoy iti maysa kadagiti isyuda nga daytoy ket nagapu iti city government. Para nakapigsaan a radyo ti Lucania, DWRS Komando Kabaranggan Komando 22, Albert Dofredo.